A lot of freelancers na matagal na sa industry are now looking for other ways to earn money. And one of the things na pinakang closest sa ginagawa natin would either be for us to start outsourcing our work and build our own VA agency, or for us to upskill. And speaking of upskill, dyan pumapasok yung naiisip na natin what's next for me. Kasi yung trajectory ng freelancing business natin hindi laging linear. Meaning, minsan gusto lang natin check ng other skill sets na pwede natin i-offer as a freelancer. But a lot of times, syempre, we're looking for ways na parang sa corporate ladder din, na tumataas ang ating sahod, tumataas ang ating value, nakakapag-offer na tayo ng high-ticket na skill set. One of the things that I tried back when I was starting out is to offer yung service na ginagawa ko naman na talaga sa call center, which is operations management. And this skill set is also something that you need to learn if you want to build your own VA agency. Now, I know there are so many alternative income streams for freelancers na pwede natin gawin, like teaching, online courses, writing ebooks, affiliate marketing, consulting, speaking engagements, podcasting, content creation. Or recently, I discovered yung potential ng online coaching, virtual events, even actual face-to-face events ginagawa natin. It all boils down to your ability to manage an operation. Kaya nung nagtanong dito kung meron bang course for operations management, dito talaga nagsisimula lagi yung mga ino-offer namin na classes, because we listen to our audience. Like, what exactly are you looking to learn? And how can we help? And as someone who's been doing operations management, obviously, this piqued my interest na maybe I can create a course outline na pwedeng gawin to, but I don't have the time. And also, naalala ko, yung mga tao na gustong gawin yung operations management, they think that as long as you're able to handle like the business of your clients, goods ka na. Meron tayo mga specific skill sets na kailangan muna nating matap before we even proceed to learning operations management. Kasi operations management itself is a big responsibility. Like, if you want to be an operations manager, you have to be able to, number one, identify yung competitors mo, competitors ng clients. May idea ka na ba how to create a landing page? You understand about balance sheets, income statements. What about debt health ratio ng business ni client? What about the clients? Ano yung client persona nyo? What's your brand archetype? You see, people are willing to pay for solutions. And if you want your service to be under operations management, what problem or what part of the business are you solving? Are you now able to create, at the very least, standard operating procedure? So yung mga bagay na yun, yung mga kailangan mo pag-aralan if you want to learn operations management. We're cooking something up. We did our dry run already. I saw the first outline ni Coach Potato already, but this is just a heads up because this is a boot camp for those who wants to learn operations management. First step is for you to learn technical writing. You have to have a good understanding of paano nga ba, how are you going to create outlines or standard operating procedures from different workflows. Learning technical writing is actually a valuable skill set even if hindi operations management yung gusto mong puntahan. Kasi when it comes to operations management, it involves like communicating complex processes, and you are doing you are giving these instructions, these procedures to various stakeholders, including but not limited to the freelancers na ihahandle mo. It can also help freelancers convey yung mga information na clearly, effectively, and you want to reduce the chance of misunderstandings or errors. As an operations manager, you are responsible dito sa part na to ng business. You will be responsible for documenting, problem solving, client communications. You have to be versatile. You have to continuously improve. There are so many things that technical writing or learning technical writing allows you, because one of the reasons why clients would need an operations manager is because they have problems that need solving, and it requires like logical thinking and problem solving skills, which are crucial sa operations management. So if kayo guys, again, we are about to launch the Operations Management Bootcamp, but if hindi pa kayo nagtitake ng technical writing, this is very important. It's part of the process. If this is something that you still cannot do, I highly recommend that you take a technical writing class muna. This also applies dun sa mga magaling magsulat yung written English pero hindi nila makonvey yung message nila in such a way na mas madaling maiintindihan ng ibang tao. So ang dami mong matututunan sa technical writing, and we have a class this coming Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. till 12 noon yung class neto. If you guys wanna join, click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pag hindi siya gumana, copy and paste sa Chrome. Pagkatapos dito sa page na to, itaas nyo lang siya ng konti, makikita ninyo open classes, makikita nyo dyan 999 saan na yun? Technical Writing Level 3, because this one has internship. Kung nasa Instagram ka naman, ito yung i-click mo. And guys, pag hindi gumana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to, tapos makikita nyo sa mismong caption yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, you guys will see the link para mag-join dun sa mismong description box. Again, if you're an aspiring freelancer na alam mo sa sarili mo that you can write well, pero hindi mo mai-convey yung message in such a way na maiintindihan ng ibang tao, or if freelancer ka na ngayon at gusto mo mag-upskill and you're looking at yung parang trajectory ng iyong freelancing career is towards office business manager or OBM or operations management, then this is the class for you. 999 pesos lang siya, kasama na yung internship doon. Yes, meron tayong one-on-one na included, and tuturuan ko rin kayo kung paano mag-apply. Anyway, sana na-cover nito lahat. Hintayin nyo na rin lang pag-launch namin ng operations management class, hopefully by March. And ano ba pa, may nalilimutan pa ba? May nalimutan ako, i-comment nyo lang dyan, and comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from work from. Bye!